Welcome or welcome back, Fairy Whispers card of the day. Let's go with this one, Three of Winter and the King of Summer, Three of Swords and the King of Cups. Sometimes we go through really deep heartache. We feel really wounded and we have to grieve. Allow yourself to feel this. The King of Summer is the master of his feelings. He doesn't push anything away. He just feels it through, and then when he has truly felt it and acknowledged it, he lets it go. Excellent advice that comes from the heart. The King of Summer is also very connected to his intuition. So allow your wounds to heal. Go outside, says the fairy. Seek solitude and go outside. Connect with nature. This will be the most healing action that you can take now. Connect with nature, connect with the trees. Ask a tree if you can hug it. Feel your love for nature. Maybe feel the fairies in nature. And who knows? One day there will be a celebration. You will find love. You will find love inside yourself. This is the first step. And then you will also find love in your community. Find love surrounding you. The Green Woman. Take off the mask. Be completely yourself. This is when I didn't see that those were two cards. This is when a coming together and a celebration can take place, when you are really, really, truly yourself. Wishing you so much joy and fairy blessings. Bye.